fair.
For clownfish, sound really is everything. They spend all day talking to each other. You've got dominance and the submission, you've got all the others calling to each other.
It seems that they also use sound in protecting themselves from the many predators that hunt around the reef. Including coral trout. Will this model trout fool the clownfish? They react almost immediately. By mimicking a predator, Steve manages to record their alarm calls without putting them at risk.
You can really hear the deeper pulsing sound of the female as she tries to scare the coral trout away. And all the little ones are just popping, pop, 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 as if to say, I'm still okay, I'm still alive. So they've got this real language of sounds that they're using just to try and defend the colony against this coral trout.
But that discovery has led to a serious worry.
The fish were really popping away at the predator, but as soon as the boat came over, they looked completely distracted. With all that noise, it completely changed how the fish were behaving.
Unable to make themselves heard above the noise of boats, the family can't warn each other of danger, and so they are now vulnerable to attack.
You think about how many boats are driving around, all the ships, all of the offshore drilling, and all the noise that we're making in the ocean, you realise just how much we're drowning out this natural biological noise, robbing animals of their ability to be able to talk to each other.
All this noise may have serious consequences for many reef fish because their babies, as soon as they hatch, are swept out to sea. There they feed and grow until strong enough to swim back. And to find the reef, they use sound.
They listen in, they eavesdrop to the noises that they can hear, and they use that to choose which reef they want to make their home. But obviously, because we're adding all this noise to the ocean, it's a wonder whether they can even hear the reef at all.
Man-made noise is now everywhere in the ocean, and it has an effect on marine creatures of all kinds. From tiny fish to gigantic whales. But Steve believes there are solutions.
Noise in the ocean is a real problem, but it's something that we can control. We can choose where we make the noise, we can choose when we make the noise. We can directly reduce the amount of noise that we make, and we could start doing that today.
We're only now beginning to realise what an impact our noise is having on the inhabitants of the ocean.